Honey, can I talk to you for a moment?
Sure, what's on your mind?
Well, lately I've been feeling like we're not communicating as well as we used to.
Really? I hadn't noticed anything different.
It's just that sometimes it feels like you're not really listening to me, like my words are just bouncing off of you.
Oh, I'm sorry if it seems that way. I've just been so busy with work and the kids. I guess I haven't been giving you the attention you deserve.
I understand, but it would mean a lot to me if we could make more time for each other, even if it's just a few minutes each day to really talk and connect.
You're right. I've been taking our conversations for granted lately. I promise I'll try to be more present and attentive.
Thank you, that means a lot to me. You know, sometimes I feel like, if talking were an Olympic sport, you'd win gold every time.
Really? You think so?
Absolutely. You have a way with words that just draws me in every time. It's one of the things I love most about you.
Well, I'll take that as a compliment then. And I'll definitely work on being a better listener for you.
And I'll work on expressing myself more clearly and effectively so that you know how much I value our conversations.
Sounds like a plan. I'm glad we could talk about this and come up with a solution together.
Me too. I know we're not perfect, but I believe as long as we keep communicating and supporting each other, we can get through anything.
Absolutely. I love you.
I love you too. Now, how about we put our phones away for a while and just enjoy each other's company?
That sounds perfect.
You know, I really cherish these moments with you. It's when we're together like this that I feel the happiest.
Me too. Sometimes I forget how important it is to slow down and appreciate the little things in life, like this beautiful garden and your company.
Well, let's make a pact then. From now on, we'll make more time for each other, even if it's just a few minutes each day to reconnect and remind ourselves of why we fell in love in the first place.
Agreed. I wouldn't want to lose sight of what's truly important in life, our love and our relationship.
I'm so grateful to have you by my side, through the ups and downs, always supporting and loving me unconditionally.
And I'm grateful for you too. You're my rock, my confidant, and my best friend. I love you more than words can express.
I love you too, always and forever.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.